Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with Infinix Zero Ultra. And we can do this by connecting the charger onto the Gosund Smart Socket, which will tell the exact statistics on my phone, which I'm gonna show you in a second. So here we have it. So go to the Gosund tab and here's electric tab. Now let's connect the charger to the phone and then wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute till all of the statistics will be stable. So the phone is charging now, and here let's wait about 1 minute. Alright, so I think the statistics should be stable now and you can see them like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.